So here's an overview of Gas app. So here's how the polls look like. So what is that? So basically you have some of your contacts from your school being added into these polls, and then you can just shuffle, and then you can just um, answer those polls. Um, and then you just answering those. Uh, Something like that. And then you just continue answering these polls. Then you have your profile, and basically and you have inbox tab. So inbox tab, it's where you will see if someone is picking you. This is your inbox, and a girl from ninth grade pick you. When people pick you, you will get a message here. So that's basically how it works. So yeah, and you will see flames here. So yeah, you will see like purple or blue flames, meaning that someone picked you, as I just show you an example. And then you will see, yeah, just a gender and grade. So like a boy from 10th grade, a girl from 9th grade picked you, and this is your inbox. So yeah, something around that, and then yeah, you will be able to guess. And then like, how do you do that? So after that, you just need a god mode. So you need to have a subscription available. So if you have a god mode in the bottom here, you will actually be able to upgrade and see the first letter who voted for you in that poll. So that's one of the way to do it. And if someone answered a poll about you for 2 times, then with the god mode you will be able to see the like the full name, I guess. But the thing is, if the person who's creating polls actually use the god mode, then you won't be able to reveal them. That's yeah, that's unfortunate, but that's how it works. And then yeah, this is how the polls look like. You can shuffle them. You can then see your profile. You can share profile. You can see your school. You can add friends. You can edit your profile here. Edit your username, gender. You can see something like that. You can see school, and then you can manage account. If you want, you can delete your account from here. Names in polls. You can decide which friends would you like to see on polls. Everyone migrate, boys and girls. You can also reduce notifications if you are a bit too annoyed. You can hide top flames. Take a break from gas. Yeah, so you can do that. Change the profile picture. And then yeah, here you have also how it works. So answer polls about frames, about friends, and get flames when picked. FAQ, and then you're just redirected to their FAQ website. So yeah, you can add your friends from your phone contacts. So automatically, when you just create an account in the Gas app, you will see all your phone contacts being synced. Then you will be suggested friends by school by searching a username. Yeah, and to see who answered a poll about you, then you need to upgrade, as I said. Also, flames are pink when a girl picks you, blue when a boy picks you, and purple when a non-binary person picks you. And they claim that all the polls and messages are real. Every single poll you receive is sent by your friends, classmates, or contacts. We will never auto-generate messages. So unlike other apps like NGL, Not Gonna Lie app, Sendit app, in those apps they do confirm that they send bot questions, and some of those messages are not real and they're just AI generated messages. Here they claim everything is real. So but still be careful, you can't be 100% sure. Then there is like a god mode, what I told, like it's a subscription that unlocks these features: unlimited hints, 2 bonus reveals, double coins, crash alerts, anonymous mode. That's what you can get. And then why isn't god mode free? Of course, it's not free, it's a subscription. So to upgrade to God mode, you can just tap the button, see who likes you on your inbox or inside of a poll you have received. So there you have it. So you can remove friends. So that's basically that. You can report people. How do you remove contacts from your polls? Until you have 4 friends, we use your contacts as placeholders in the poll so you can still play the game. Don't worry, selected content in the poll doesn't send a text message. We'll never send text without your permission. If you'd like to remove contacts from your polls, just add more friends. So that's what happened in my case. As you can see, I just created an account and I see my phone contacts being displayed in the app. So yeah, you can easily log out and delete your account. So sometimes you can be removed from your school if you sign up with your own school, and you need to be at least 13 years old to use Gaz app. Basically, this is just like an FAQ. You can always tap to get help to add school to profile. So change my grade, change my name, change my gender. So you can tap that, report a bug, something else like purchase it and God mode, and then you can just email, and then you can always email with that specific issue. It's if you change your gender, name, or grade, I guess you can only do it once. God mode is also not available for all accounts right now, so if you don't have God mode, it's a bit unfortunate at that moment. So yeah, that's basically that. So then you can just go to profile again. You can see your school, you can see your grade, and then you can just add friends here. Invite people to play from some of your contacts, or you can just add friends like that. So yep, hope it can be helpful, and this is the app. It's super viral, but it's super easy to use, super minimalistic, as you can see. This is what it is, and how to know who liked you in the polls, who sent flames to you. That's the core question. First, of course, the grade, and so here's, for example, you will know the grade and you will know the gender, like girl in 9th grade pick you. So if in your school the Gaz app is not that popular and there are 50 people participating in polls, that already can narrow your search to 5 girls or 5 boys, or just depending who liked you, and then the grade also, so in 10th grade this person did it. So it can be up to 5 people. Then maybe you have even a narrower number of people, then maybe you can guess without upgrading. But of course, usually you need to upgrade to God mode, where it will be revealed the first name of the person who liked you, and then probably you can guess. Or if the person liked you, selected you in polls many times, then if you have a God mode, you will be able to see the full name. But yeah, again, God mode is not available for everyone. That's basically that. Only the case if the other person who voted in the polls is also using God mode, then you won't be able to reveal that person, because God mode is 100% anonymous. Unfortunately, Gaz app is not available everywhere right now in the world. It's only in United States, in specific states, not in the whole country even. So in specific schools. So it's growing among other schools. Hopefully it will be available in more places, in more states soon. Hopefully it will be available worldwide. They will be adding more and more schools. And more features, because this app is built by some pretty well-known founders in Silicon Valley who built some other previous pretty successful apps for teenagers. So probably, hopefully this will be a huge app And there are a lot of hoax about this app. This Gas app is not safe. Like, yeah, going to that point that everyone knows that this is not some like unknown developer company who built it. People know who built it. There's like a small team, but everyone knows them on Twitter. So I'm not sure they will put all their reputation just to create some scam app or something like that, or to sell it, to sell your data. But like you can't be 100% sure. I tend to agree that this is just a hoax, that this app is actually pretty safe to use and it's pretty fun. But yeah, just of course you can't be 100% sure. Like, you don't know what's happening. You can see recent developments with FTX. It's like, yeah, was when everyone was thinking it's like such a great company. But anyhow, this is the Gas app. Definitely give it a try. Definitely download if you're in a high school in US, and have fun.